Okay, so welcome back. Let me show you my results. This is for 1 week, 7 days practicing and doing experiment of providing liquidity on VFAT by Ethereum and USD+. I did provide liquidity, 2 different pools, one narrow and one wide range. And let's see who is the winner and let's see how much money we earning every single day. Do I went up or do I went down in my profit? So let's go, let's dig up and watch the video to the end so you can see all the full results. Okay, so I've been yield farming for many months, but I'm always doing some experiments because that's the main thing. We need to find where is the golden middle so we can start earning yield all the freaking time. And the point here is to make a cash flow, daily cash flow in your DeFi portfolio so you can use that cash flow and then you can compound, you can buy some long-term assets, or maybe you can take something for home and do whatever you want. So let me go and let me show you my experiment. So for my experiment, I use VFAT, and many people ask me to do a full video for VFAT. So here you are my results. This is not step by step how to get in, but more is if the LP is working with narrow and wide range, and I believe this is more important because people don't know what range to put in. So VFAT is multi-chain yield aggregator and portfolio manager. So the only bad stuff here is that VFAT decide to rug and then my funds will be screwed. Simple as that. Now VFAT has been here for many years, and I believe and I hope, again, not financial advice, this can last here for a very long time because it's a tool. They just helping us for yield aggregator, so they take nice fees, they take in the cut, and everybody are happy days there. So again, disclaimer, nothing here financial advice. Do your own research, make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose. Now if you are into UIG group, probably you see I did a full post here explaining WETH, so Ethereum USD plus, narrow versus wide range, which one is the winner. Now again, if you are in the UIG group, is the best group for yield farming to start to learn and to progress. Make sure you understand they're going to raise the price very soon, so if you want to join, maybe now is the time because they're going to have entry fee of $500, what will be very harsh for some people. Now let's go and let's find out. So first I did 2 different pools. One was narrow, -4 and +4 range. So this is the range where the Ethereum price needs to get in. Now I used VFAT. So what's that mean? If I go to the first pool, what is right here, VFAT, okay, and you will see here my portfolio, I put $700 1 week ago, okay. So here is my range. Let me zoom in. Right here, this is my range, 8%, what's mean 4% up and 4% down, okay. So I put $700, but today I have $640. This was around $650 this morning when I typed this announcement on UIG group, the article. Okay, so let's go and let's read the article. So I invest $700 in 7 days, as you can see on the screenshot what I'm going to show you now. I did harvest or manual harvest, what is right here. There we go. So I will show you this one. So this was this morning, like 9 hours ago. Let me just move my face from here. There we go. So I did, as you can see here, I did claim 10 times. This is, so when you go to VFAT, all right? So when you go to VFAT, let me just explain you how it's working. So VFAT, I did auto compound and auto harvest. So each time when position is out of range, it's going to go back in range automatically, and everything what you earn is going to auto harvest and that will be in Aero token or whatever token you want. So in the nutshell, let's go and let's check the results. So this is my whole investment. So you will see I invest $700, but today I had 647. This is 9 hours ago, so I'm going to go with this number. In the nutshell, in 1 week, I made profits of $50 right here, profits, okay, $50. Basically, I am in minus if you see, because I have impermanent loss. So remember, narrow range, you're going to have more impermanent loss. But the fees, if you make more fees than the impermanent loss, were happy days. However, in this case, I had $700, but today I have 647 plus the fees $50, so I'm in minus only $3.74. What's mean I'm in minus only $4? What's mean in this case I am in negative minus 50% or only minus $3.4. It's not bad at all. However, I lost 1 week and I still have the same money. And even I made 1.1% overall a day earning fees. So this is negative. Let's go and let's check the other range. Now remember, for VFAT to use, you need to put $500 and more to be able to auto rebalance and auto harvest. This is how I understand is working. Now, let's go and let's check my big investments. So here I invest $1,400. So this morning this was $1,399, and I'm going to go with that money because this is how I have in my portfolio right here. I have exactly 1,400. It was this morning. That was 9 hours ago. So this is very interesting to see here. Let me just move my face again. So there we go. So I invest So I invest $1,400, okay, 7 days ago. Today value, so this was 9 hours ago. This morning was 1,400, 1,399. So it's the same, 1,400. In between time, I made around 0.6% per day fees, which means I made around $55 for 7 days, or I earn around 4% in profit. Okay, so here you will see I claim, auto claim, it's auto claim or manual claim 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, so only 8 times. That means every day in the morning I was claiming once per day, except on this day I did claim twice. Okay, and you will see the price went down $50, then went up, then went down, then went up today, this morning, 9 hours ago. So let me bring you my face back. Okay, so in the nutshell, I invest 1,400. My money were exactly the same this morning. Again, now it's like a little bit less. However, I made fees of $55, which means I was in profit for 4% in 1 week time. If you compare that with a month, it's coming around 16%, what is giving you this exactly APR, what is very, very accurate at this moment. Again, the percentage what you're earning will go up and down. It depends what is the range. Now, here the range is, just to mention, -4 and +12%. So I'm betting that Ethereum price will go up to 12%. If it's go more than that, it's going to rebalance exactly the same. If it's going down below -4%, it's going to rebalance and will be exactly the same. So this pool auto rebalance only one or twice, I believe it was only one, because the range was around 16-17%, what is not bad for Ethereum range. But in this pool right here, where my range was -4 and +4%, did auto rebalance around 5 or 6 times. So pretty much almost every day was auto rebalancing, and more auto rebalance, more impermanent loss you have. Okay, so I believe that is a lot of information, and we will see that the winner in this case is wide range when we have stable and blue chip tokens. Wide range of around 16-17% is the winner in this case, and we earn around 4% profit in 1 week time, what is not bad at all. 4% usually the Wall Street, if they win around 8% a year, they are happy bunnies. The bank right now, they're going to give you around 5% fee if you deposit your money in the bank for 1 year. 1 year. We earn here about in a week. So you do your maths, is it worth it or not? I just want to share what I have done for the last 7 days and if this is working or not. Now, wait for my video tomorrow. I'm going to bring you breadth, and I'm going to bring you Ethereum narrow versus wide range, and you will see, you will be surprised there also who is the winner. Is it both down? Is it both up? Or one is winner, one is not winner? We're going to find out probably tomorrow or on Friday. Thank you so much. God bless. I should see you in the next one.